Good afternoon. My name is Dmitry, and I am a service engineer at GRP Automation. The company has already been around for 5 whole years. Yes, we work exclusively with robots. We also have a bit of in-house production. We manufacture stands for robots and also make positioners. The list of commissioning works includes the installation of the robot itself. In this case, it's the positioner plus the cleaning station, as well as 2 days of training. The basic, comprehensive 2-day training covers the fundamentals, welding, robot movement, and the capabilities of this robot. Honestly, I think you can weld just about anything with it. The main thing is that it can reach the spot you need. In other words, as long as there's enough space for it to fit, so to speak. So if there's a part that's, say, this tall, taller than our torch in this case, then we just won't be able to reach it. That's all, and that's why we wouldn't be able to weld it. Other than that, we do have multi-pass welding. We can lay down several layers and basically build up a certain thickness. As for the welding speed, I think you can set it to about 20 millimeters per second on thin metals. But it's generally not recommended, since the weld might end up being poor quality. Well, you can definitely get about 12 millimeters per second. That's actually a pretty good speed. Also, the robot is 6-axis. In this case, the 7th axis is our positioner. Honestly, in terms of quality, I think it's really good. They almost never break. In fact, they just don't break at all, unless you intentionally try to break them. There have been situations, yes, when a client didn't pay enough attention and, for example, bent this axis. That happened about a year ago, but otherwise, on their own, they don't break. Yes, I'm definitely very confident in the robots. They've never let me down, really. It all depends on the person operating this equipment, on their knowledge, on the skills they gain through working with it. Yes, the work process itself is very important here. The most important thing is training. It's not just about me giving some basics, or us providing a foundation, but what happens next. In other words, how the operator approaches it, how involved they are, how interested they are. The most important thing is even just having an interest in it. Honestly, you have a really impressive production here. For me, the main thing is how clean it is. It's very clean, the floors are even, everything is in order. You have quite a lot of good equipment. I mean, I'm only in one area right now, and there's already so much set up here. There might be places I haven't even seen yet. I don't know, but overall, yes, I like it here. To wrap up, I want to wish you continued growth and development. I hope you get even more robots, and not just welding ones. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Yes, I think there will be more visits.